Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Tsutaya Shibuya Crossing Starbucks here in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. And yeah, this has been quite a while in the making. The store was closed for almost, I would say, a year, and they took a long time to remodel this. I actually don't know what took them so long because they didn't do much with the interior. And yeah, so let's have a look around. There is still this outdoor ordering window. I guess they make some limited beverages here as well without having to go upstairs. And also what Tsutaya did, basically they remodeled their entire store and removed everything they had here on the lower floor, which was yeah, some performer and CD sales, latest releases. They had some events over here where performers came, pop groups and everybody to sign records. So now this is some kind of like anime or whatever kind of yeah, sales area, promotion area now. The Starbucks part that was down here has been removed as well. And this is now also part of the general sales for Tsutaya. I guess the only Starbucks area is on the second floor, and it is open from 7 in the morning until 10:30 at night. So let's go and have a look how it is upstairs. Alright guys, welcome to the brand new Starbucks here at Tsutaya, Shibuya Crossing, and here is what you see. And it looks nothing like before. New design, very modern, but yeah, the old, traditional, comfortable, warm feeling is definitely gone. So let's have a look what we have with a view to the crossing. The space where you can sit and have a look out of the window is also much different now. So you basically have to go straight to the window standing, or if you're lucky, you can catch one of the maybe 5 or 6 seats directly at the table. Otherwise, you're out of luck and you might have to catch one of these other areas here. But this one obviously not facing the scramble square. So, yeah. You can see the scramble square over there and the crossing halfway from the side. But this is next to the filthy garbage, so I don't know if Starbucks really did itself a favor with this design. But yeah, hey, welcome to Starbucks in 2025. So apparently what they're enforcing now, or at least telling people to do, no congregating up here at the cafe area if you're not actually a customer. And most people actually do get a beverage, but in the past, quite a few folks were hanging around here who never bought anything from the Starbucks here at Tsutaya. Here are some of the local Tokyo/Japan Starbucks collectibles, the tumbler and the cup, and the bears with the yukata, with the kimono. Oh, these are nice. Area limited edition. So those, the snow globes are definitely, special because they have Mount Fuji, I believe, and the Starbucks cup. You know, sometimes I wish I had space both at home and in my baggage for all these items. And here are more tumblers. There's a sumo fighter, sushi bowl and sakura, and it's a winter theme. So more Starbucks Japan items. This is all from the local edition. And these ones are actually, oh yeah, those tumblers are the same shape as the Frappuccino bottles that you can buy to take away. So I guess people are, I don't know, refilling them from the glass inside the tumbler and then do what with them? I don't know. Cups, we already saw those. And those actually look kind of fun as well. And there is one thing I want to show you, not the area which was practically reshaped here. The store doesn't take any cash and you can only order tall, and these are the new opening hours. So here we go. I don't like the redesign, I have to say, because it was much more comfortable before. But hey, I guess that's what they call progress. Not always a good thing, but hey, we gotta take what we're gonna get. Oh wow, they have the JDM cars down here. We're definitely gonna take a look at those. So yeah, this was Tsutaya new Starbucks in Shibuya. Shibuya Scramble Square, or as I like to still call it, Shibuya Crossing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.